How's it, Maryz? So we're gonna be super fast in this video, yeah, because I gotta go work in like a couple hours and I still gotta get ready. But this video is gonna be on my Boxy charm box that I got yesterday. It's my first box. It's my May box. Took more than 1 month for get to me, probably because of pandemic and whatnot. And as I said in my video on Instagram, this bugger look kind of bust up, yeah. So get like that over there, that one. It's kind of loose on one of the sides. Yeah, I don't know, maybe somebody can go try to take one peek inside. But I'm not really concerned about it so long as everything on the inside is all good. So we're going to check them, go. And don't mind the TV in the background. Kavehi is watching Scooby-Doo. She decided she wanted to wake up 6:30 this morning. And yeah, so she's awake right now. So if she pops into the video, alright, so we're opening them. Oops. Exciting. Hello, Charmer. Okay, your 3 products so far. Supposed to have 5, huh? Oh shit. Woo, okay. So yeah, I had them bare face on because I thought maybe you might have some skincare, even though I said seldom send it to me. But I think I saw a skincare product in here. Okay, so the first one I'm gonna open, I don't know how you say that. I think Sephora sells that brand, yeah. I know we don't at Ulta. Okay, Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. Ooh. In Dusk. Oh, she's pea. I like her. Maybe I'll use her today. Or maybe I shouldn't, because we don't sell her at Ulta. I'll use her on my day off. Is this Ace Beauty? It's a nice color. Glimmer Shadow French Vanilla. Oh. I think my hands are super dry. All that sanitizing, yeah, we gotta do now. Damn coronavirus. She's pretty. And then one more Glimmer Shadow in Huckleberry. Ooh! Ooh, this one is pretty. Look at that. Oh. Ooh, that one came out nice. Oh, they kind of go together. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I got one beauty sponge. What's that? Illuminati cosmetic sponge. Maybe I'll use that one to apply my foundation. Okay. This is... Okay. Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. Oh, it's a setting spray. In Beauty Project. Never heard of this. Use under makeup to prep skin, over makeup to set your look in throughout the day to refresh tired skin. Oh yeah, girl, we get tired skin. We tired every day. Okay, so it's for glowing, hydrating, and energizing. Okay, we'll use this today. It seems kind of oily, and I have super oily skin, so I don't know if I'm gonna use it. But anyway, this one I'm excited about. Oh, I got ceramic curling iron. Are you for real? By Sutra Beauty. Oh, and I just straightened my hair yesterday. Oh, I'm excited about this one. Okay. Let's see how she looks. It's like a mini. Oh, it's so cute. That's purple. Yeah, like a travel size.
I love purple.
You love purple? Me too. Purple is your favorite? Okay, well that's it. That's what was inside my Boxy charm box for the month of May. And yeah, everything inside is all good. Must have just been in process as they were shipping them through USPS. Not too concerned about it. The products are all good inside. And they were nicely placed. Nothing broken. So yeah, I might use some of this stuff today. Might not, because I gotta go work. I'm gonna sell this stuff at Ulta. Oh, sorry, I had to burp. Okay, that was it. Thank you for watching. Ahui ho.